Inday! Ano ba? Hey!
Candidate number 1.
Miss Inday Garote!
Ilaw. Chosan.
Presenting Sportswear Basketball. Her vital statistics.
34, 64, 94.
Ano?
Okay.
Ayan po siya.
Thank you.
Dito ka lang, hoy, kuya.
Dito
Pag
ka
tumalik
lang.
ka. Number 1 ang ito ulit. Dito ka lang, oh.
Dito ka lang, oh. Closing ka.
Candidate number 2.
Miss Betty Login. She's wearing her sports tennis. Her vital statistics.
22, 36, 74.
Palakpakan. Thank you, candidate number
Dito ka lang.
2.
DJ.
DJ, dito lang kayo. Ay, Betty Login. Candidate number 3. Wait lang. Joseph Belia. She's wearing baseball.
Para ka lang maglalaba.
Her vital statistics.
Sabi ka lang. 32, 24, 32.
Palakpakan po natin. Belia! Ay, Joseph Belia! Candidate number 4. Miss Tina Moran. She's wearing her sportswear jacket.
Knowledge na!
Vital statistics.
64, 94, 64.
Palakpakan! Miss Tina Moran!
Knowledge na!
Candidate number 5, Miss Pinky Ling. She's wearing her sportswear aerobics. Vital statistics.
44, 96, 97.
Candidate number 6, Terry Gaynor. She's wearing her swimming. Vital statistics.
28, 36, 79.
Ayan po ang ating mga binibining lamang lupa.
Teka. Number 6. At Gino Mendoza. Parang nakasali dyan eh.
Nandiyan ka.
Anay ka pong sport
Okay, candidate number 1, Miss Inday Garote. Baba, wearing basketball. Palakpakan po natin si Miss Inday Garote. Candidate number 2, Betty Login. Wearing her tennis. Miss Josa Belia. Sportswear, baseball. Miss Tina Moran. Jackson. Miss Pinky Ling. Aerobics. Miss Terry Gaynor. Swimming. Palakpakan po natin ang ating mga binibining lupa wearing their sportswear.
Masaya ba kayo, taga St. John?